Morning guys, it's Thursday 4th of March. Just pulled off the old road going to Arrieta because they've got lost charcones by here and we just wanted to have a look. I think it's a bit rough today for rock pooling. Okay, so we just put the drone up over the coast and I'll put the footage in now. Still haven't found the rock pools that we're looking for, but the search continues. Right guys, we just made it to Arrieta. Tide's out, Ed. Very tricky to walk. A little walk out to the pier. See the crystal blue waters? Gonna mettere a para 4 or 20 minutes. It's a lovely little beach here. Arrieta is a lovely little town, little fishing town. Lots of little fish restaurants popping up. Of course, at the moment, still in lockdown, very quiet.
Ik zus mekker.
What we got, yo?
Massive tentacles.
Well, fair play, the food's been spot on so far. So food is done. Johan, everywhere we go, Johan has a barracuda to try them out around the island.
Before and after.
Did look like that. He's on the stir. We'll have to wait now for the official taste test as soon as he goes in. He's a master stirrer.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Cinnamon challenge on the top too.
No, it's like with us. We use like a teaspoon of
€60 for grub. Lovely chutney.
Hello Joyce, Holly's mum.
So I had the Royale. And he owns up the blueberry pancakes.
The sausage wrist. Got a couple of beans.
Looks a nice breakfast spread, doesn't it? For breakfast drinks and a Serenity. On our way out to Arrieta, we just pulled off the turn in before Arrieta to come to the beach. We're hopefully going to go in for a swim. Well, that was a cracking little snorkel then. It's got a bit chilly in the end because when you went out in the deep water you could feel the cold, but teeming with fish out there, wasn't it? Okay, off to the next bit now. Don't know where we're going, but a lovely dip in the sea. Time to move on. Chance we took a left turn towards Mala and then Guatiza. They got a cactus garden with a windmill. We're gonna have a look, see if we can go in here. cactus garden. They got a nice little cafeteria area, restaurant. So me and Johan had $5 shakes. Piss heads of the wine. Okay, so that's the cactus garden then. It's quite interesting actually. Nice to see all the different ones. So the next thing now is we're going to head back home, have a chill.